Hey guys, this is my second video as JasonMacHelp, and I'm just doing a what's in my dock today because I noticed that that's what a lot of people do. So we'll start over here. I have the standard Firefox and Safari web browsers. I don't really need to go through what those are. iChat, Mail, iCal, Address Book, Preview, Chess, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Entourage, My Day, Microsoft Messenger, iTunes, Photoshop. Those are all things that I don't really need to go over. I'm not sure about Front Row. I know it comes on Leopard, but for those of you that don't use it or don't know what it is, here's what it is. It's pretty much like it searches all the media on your computer. So if you have movies on your computer, you can just watch movies in here. Okay. And then if you have TV shows or music, you can go through your music. Okay. And that's pretty much what Front Row is. Oh, and by the way, guys, please don't comment on the Village People that you just saw. It's only YMCA, and I have it for no apparent reason at all. That's the only song that I have by them. Alright, then there's Dictionary, iPhoto, iMovie, GarageBand, iWeb, Image Capture, Calculator, all the stuff that comes on a Mac. And then there's Pages, Numbers, and Keynote, which are the Mac processors for like kind of like the equivalent to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, just the Apple version. DVD player, Expose, Automator, KCN Screw. If you didn't watch my review on KCN Screw, it's an awesome application to get serial codes for any application. So I'm not going to go over that right now. Scribbles is the most equivalent to Paint for PC. You can draw pictures with different colors. And the cool thing that I like about this is you don't have a set color. If there's a color that you really like, you just click right here, and then you can go through anywhere on your computer and you can choose this color. So if I like the color of this car, I just click right there, and then I'll be coloring in the color that I clicked on. So it's actually a really cool tool. And you can change the brush so it looks different, or you can add tracing paper so you can like trace the car, or you can add a grid to make it easier, like grid drawing. And it's a pretty cool application for when you're bored, mainly. Okay, and then QuickTime Player 10 comes with Snow Leopard. That's what I'm using right now. You can use it to do screen recordings, audio recordings, and movie recordings. Alright, there's Skype. I'm not going to open that because I have a bunch of my friends' names in there, so I can't do that, but it's like a video chatting thing. It's kind of like Uvu or iChat. When you open it, you can chat with people and video chat with people. I personally hate Uvu, and Skype is so much better because it's never slow or choppy, and it just works perfectly. Alright, I have First Class, which is my school email, basically, so there's really nothing important there. Most people won't have that. VMware Fusion, it's to run Windows on my computer. I have Windows 7. They have the serial number for that in case you unscrew if you want to download it and then put Windows on. Okay, App Cleaner. App Cleaner is a really cool application, because I'm sure most of you have applications that you use and then you decide you don't want anymore, so you just drag it to the trash. Most of you don't realize that there's still the sub-files of that application that are still on your computer. So if I find an application that I don't want, for example, if I did, alright, let's do Skype because I can always re-download that. If I drag Skype here, most of you just drag it to your trash, but you don't realize that there's these other subfolders and extra files from Skype that can also be deleted. So it's really cool if you want to clear out space on your computer, and you don't want to leave any extra files behind that you don't need. So this is a really cool application, and you can even go through all your applications. It'll search your entire computer. Same with widgets. Alright, it'll go through all your widgets, and then just other random files. Okay, so that's a cool one. Alright, and then I have log me in. Log me in is something, so you can control your computer from other computers. Once you download it, you just go to logmein.com, log in, and you can control your computer screen. If I leave, but your computer has to be open. So sometimes I'll leave my laptop open when I go to school, and then I can use my computer from school, and it's pretty cool. Or if you're the evil kind of person, you can use it to download it on your friend's computer without them knowing, and then you can, when they're using their computer, you can control their screen and they'll have no idea what's going on, and then you can tell them it was a joke, or you can just use it to hack into their computer, whatever you want. But if you get in trouble for hacking into your computer after you use LogMeIn, I am not responsible. Alright, and then there's iDVD, iMovie HD, which is video editing software, but I'm not going to go over that. Final Cut Express and LiveType are better video editing software, but it's very confusing. I don't really have the hang of it yet, but I've done a few cool videos. I'll open it up just for a second just to show you guys. Alright, it's opening. See, this is when you open it. By the way, I did not get the full version. I used KCN to get the serial code for it. So that's the power of KCN. This is a $200 software I got for free by downloading the trial. Alright, this is it. Usually there will be other palettes down here with more options, but I kind of screwed something up, I think, so I'll have to figure that out. So that's Final Cut Express, and LiveType is to make like introductions, like with your name and stuff on it. And then I have my applications, documents, my hard drive, and then the internet. Okay, that's my doc. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and most of all, please subscribe.